Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the numericals of the question for practice which are at the page number 39. So let us discuss at the in the question for practice at the page number 39. The fourth question is numerical, which is a solution contains 20 ml methane, 30 ml ethanol, 20 ml methanol, 30 ml ethanol and 50 ml of acetone. What is the volume percentage of each constituent? So what will be the solution? Here we will write solution. After that each and everything will be written. Volume of the methanol is 20 ml, volume of the ethanol is equal to 30 ml, volume of the acetone is equal to 50 ml. After that we will find out the volume of the whole solution, and it will be volume of the solution is equal to 20 plus 30 plus 50, and here the total volume of the solution is 100 ml. After that concentration by volume percentage is the can be obtained by the volume of solute multiplied by 100 upon volume of the solution. This is the formula of volume percentage. So we will put the value of each and every one constituent one by one, and we will find the volume percent. Volume percentage of the methanol is equal to volume of methanol multiplied by 100 upon volume of solution. Here 20 into 100 upon 100, that is equal to 20%. After that here volume percentage of the ethanol is equal to volume of the ethanol multiplied by 100 upon volume of the solution. Here we will put the values 30 into 100 upon 100, that is equal to 30%. Now next here volume percentage of the acetone is equal to volume of the acetone multiplied by 100 upon volume of the solution. Here when we put the value 50 ml is the volume of the acetone, then 50 multiplied by 100 upon 100, that is equal to 50%. Now what will be the answer? Volume percentage of the methanol is equal to 20%, volume percentage of the ethanol, that is equal to 30%, and volume percentage of acetone is equal to 50%. This is the answer of the fourth question. After that question number 5 is also a numerical, and let us see what is that. 20 grams of solute is present in 100 grams of water. 20 grams of a solute is present in 100 grams of water. What is the mass percentage of solute in the solution? Mass percentage has been asked. So let us see. First of all we will write solution and this heading, and after that we will write each and everything which has been given. Mass of the solute is equal to 20 grams, mass of the water, that is solvent, is equal to 100 grams, then mass of the solution is equal to mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent, that is equal to 20 plus 100 is equal to 20 grams. As we know that the formula of mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute multiplied by 100 upon mass of this solution, whole solution. That is why here mass of the solution has been obtained by adding the mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. So here mass of the total solution is equal to 120 grams. Now we have the formula of mass percentage of solution is equal to mass percent of solution is equal to mass of the solute multiplied by 100 upon mass of the solution. When we put the value 20 into 100, 20 is the mass of the solute, 20 gram is the mass of the solute multiplied by 100 upon 120 gram is the mass of the solution. So 0 0 cancel. Then here when we simplify this to 3 ja 6 to 10 ja 20, again 10 5 ja 50 upon 3, and here when we divide this we obtain 16.6666 and when we round off this here 16.67% will be the mass percentage of the solute. So our answer is mass percent of solution mass percent of solution or mass percent of solute, you can write anything, is equal to 16.67 percentage. This is our answer. Okay, mass percent, right? Yeah. Okay students, now the sixth question is also numerical question. Mass of the saturated solution is 120 grams. The solution is evaporated to dryness. The residue left is 20 grams. Calculate the solubility of the solute. Then here it is clear that the solution is saturated. It means maximum amount of the solute has been dissolved, and when the maximum amount of the solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of the solvent is known as solubility. So here it is maximum amount. So here first of all we will write all the things. Mass of the solute is equal to 20, it is the maximum mass, and mass of the solution is equal to 120 grams. But here when we want to find out the solubility, we need the mass of the solvent. So here first of all we will find the mass of the solvent. Mass of the solvent will be obtained by subtracting mass of solute from the mass of the solution. So here mass of the solvent is equal to mass of the solution minus mass of the solute, that is equal to 120 minus 20 is equal to 100 grams. Now we have the formula of solubility. Solubility is equal to mass of the solute multiplied by 100 upon mass of the solvent. When we put the value 20 into 100 upon 100, that is 20 grams.